Hello. This is Miss Davies, and what we're going to do today for grammar, this is grammar today. Grammar, Monday, September 21st, page 6. Grammar, Monday, September 21st, page 6. And this is going to be a review sheet. This is what your paper is going to look like. So you should have it in your blue folder or your packet, so you can get it out because we're going to be using it for grammar today. Grammar, Monday, September 21st, page 6. But first, we're going to review a few things from last week. We worked on it, what a complete sentence was. A complete sentence has to have three things. It has to start with a capital letter. Number 2, it has to make sense. And number 3, it has to end with an ending mark, like a period or an exclamation point or a question mark. Okay, so keep that in mind. A complete sentence has to have three things. It has to start with a capital letter, it has to make sense, and it has to end with an ending mark, like a period, an exclamation point, or a question mark. Okay, so get out that page 6 for me. Okay, so in order for a sentence to make sense, the words in the sentence have to be in the right order. Because if they're all mixed up, it's going to be really hard for us to know what the sentence is supposed to say. Okay, so the order of the words has to make sense. So this is a correct sentence. Tim has a tan cap. It starts with a capital, it ends with a period. It makes sense, the words are in the right order. Tim has a tan cap. This sentence is not correct. Cap A has Tim tan. It doesn't start with a capital, it does end with a period, but it doesn't make any sense at all. Cap A has Tim tan. What is that? I'm confused. Okay, so let's go to number 1. And it says to circle the sentence that has the words in the right order. Bill can go here. Starts with a capital, ends with a period. I can understand that. Bill can go here. So I'm going to circle it because it makes sense. And it starts with a capital and it ends with a period. Okay, I want you to pause me and I want you to do 2, 3, 4, and 5. Circle it if it makes sense. Circle it if the words are in the right order. When you're done, you unpause me and then we'll check it together. Go ahead and pause me, and when you're done with 2, 3, 4, and 5, you can unpause me. Okay, we're back. Let's see if you circled number 2. Tag can Dan play? Does it start with a capital? No. Does it make sense? No, the words are not in the right order. So we are not going to circle that sentence because it's not a complete sentence. Number 3. Sid and Pat can go. Starts with a capital, ends with a period, and it does make sense. So we're going to circle number 3. I hope you did that. Number 4. Sam is a big pig. Capital, period. It's in the right order. It makes sense. Sam is a big pig. So I hope you circled that one. Number 5. Cat hid the bag in A. What do you think, boys and girls? Should I circle it or no? Does it start with a capital? It does have a period. Does it make sense? Cat hid the bag in A. No. So I'm not going to circle that. Okay, I hope you circled 1, 3, and 4 and not the other 2. Okay, now we're going to write our own sentence, making sure that our words are in the right order from left to right. So we write how we read in the same order that we read or the same direction. We're all going to start with the same two words because I don't want you to use I. Because first graders like to use I all the time. I went to the store. I rode my bike. I like pizza. I flew a kite. Well, that's okay, but there are other people in the world besides you. So we don't want all the sentences to start with I. So what we're going to do is we're going to start with the cat today. And what do I need at the beginning of a sentence? Capital T for the, leave a space, lowercase c, lowercase a, tall T, short C, short A, tall T. The cat. Now I want you to finish that sentence. What can the cat do? Go ahead and pause me and finish that sentence. The cat. And make sure you have an ending punctuation mark. Finish that sentence for me. Pause me, and when you're done writing it, you can unpause me. Okay, you can unpause me. I'm going to make my sentence say, the cat can nap. Period. Because that's a good time. It's a good time to take a nap because today's really rainy and icky outside because I'm recording this ahead of time. So the cat can nap. Oh, I see a lot of short A words. It also makes sense. It starts with a capital and it ends with a period. Okay, read your sentence to your parents and have them see if it makes sense. Or you can send it to your teacher and each teacher will see if your sentence makes sense. Okay, remember, capital letter has to make sense, has to end with a period or exclamation mark or a question mark for it to be a complete thought or a complete sentence. Okay, see you tomorrow for more grammar.